Hi, this is a quick video I'd like to give just to show you how to operate the heating. We leave the heating controls available for all of our guests to change as and when they like. Sometimes we find that guests sometimes leave the controllers in a bit of a weird way. So if you find that the heating isn't coming on, first of all, don't panic. We're not restricting your use of it. But secondly, if you could just have a look to see if you can operate it yourself. Now it's a bit tricky, so totally understand if you have problems with it. Let me show you how to operate it. So on the screen now, I'm showing you the top edge of the Dimplex panel. And if you can see here towards the right hand side, hopefully it comes up on the video, is the instruction that says that it's manual and it is currently on. Now the way that you select that is by pressing this mode button a number of times. I think it cycles through manual off, as you can see there, auto, and now manual on. Now when it is on manual on, what that means is it kind of switches off this silly timer thing, which I think is just far too confusing. And it means then that you can then operate the heater control manually. So you can switch on and off by this button here on the right hand side. So you can just see that is now off. Switch it again so it's on, and you can see that that light means that it is now on. Now this controller at the top here slides from left to right, and you move it right to get the heating to actually operate. And you know that it's producing heat because this sort of wavy line and like little LED thing has gone to orange. So it tends to be that we leave them quite low to keep the rooms just ticking over, and it's up to you how much you want to set them. I'd suggest if you set at least one of them to about halfway. We find that when it's on maximum, frankly, it's just far too hot. So again, it's up to your personal preference as how you set them. If you could remember when you leave, however, to sort of switch them back down to low, it just makes it far more comfortable when we come to doing the change out. Enjoy, and see you again.